Okay. 5/4 minus 4/4. 5 minus 4 is 1/4. So that's what we're left with. Can I pull 4/4 out of 1/4? No. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this down here as well. 1/4. Okay. So this is what I pulled out. It was not gone forever, as I said. This is what I pulled out. So I'm going to add these together. Equals. So 1, 2, 3. I have 3 wholes and 1/4. Okay. So we have our box method where you draw out and color in what you have. You have division, okay, where you see how many holes can come out. And then whatever you're left with goes back over that same denominator, because again, we're seeing how many holes and how many fourths we have in this problem, because we have 12 fourths. Okay, or you can just keep subtracting fourths until you're left with something where you can't take out another whole. Okay, 13/4 minus 1 whole, took it out. 9/4 minus 1 whole, we took it out. Okay, do one more for you. Down here I have 23/4. Okay, so this is where I was saying the box method gets a little more complicated, but I'll do it all 3 ways. Again, pick one that works for you. You do not have to know all of these ways. I just know that everyone's brain thinks about things a little differently. And I want to make sure that you have a way that works for you and your student. Okay, none of these is better than the other. Just as long as you have a strategy to work it out, that is a-okay. Okay, again, these boxes are not perfect. That's just fine. We all get the picture. Okay, so I just drew, I didn't even count how many boxes I have. Obviously, you can tell. But I didn't count how many boxes I have. Again, I switched them up into fourths. Sorry, it's another one with fourths. I didn't think about that. But I did them into fourths. Okay, now I have 23/4. So I'm going to count. This gets a little arduous. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Now, some kids might get mixed up. Wait, what about these boxes? We didn't use those. What about them? Well, we don't have those. What we have is 23/4. So don't even worry about those extras. Again, I just drew an arbitrary amount of boxes. Okay? So now let's see what we do have. I have 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes, 4 holes, 5 holes. Oh, that's not a hole because I don't have all the pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and write down 5. Now, how many pieces do I have? I know that it's split up into 4 pieces. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make that my denominator. That's how many pieces it's split up into. Now, how many do I have? I have 1, 2, 3 of those pieces. So I have 5 3/4. So 23/4 equals 5 3/4. Again, these are the same. We're just representing it differently with the numbers, but it's the same value. Okay? So now I'm going to show you the division model. Okay? So 23, we have 4 in here. All right. So 4 times what equals 23? Now, again, a lot of our students are struggling with their multiplication pack, so I'm just going to go with 2. In case you forgot how this division model works, I can do any number I want as long as it's under 23. So I know that 4 times 2 equals 8. I'm going to subtract 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. 15. Okay? And I'm just going to try 2 again because I don't remember my math facts. Okay? Minus 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 equals 7. Ooh, okay, so I can't use 2 again. I'm gonna go with 1. 5, 6, 7, 3. That equals 3. So can I take another 4 out? Can I take another whole out? No, I can't. Okay, so I'm gonna circle these. These are my holes. So 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And then I'm left with 3. Remember, I put 3 over my denominator, which is 4. Again, we start out with 23 fourths. I'm seeing how many fourths I have. I have 5 holes and 3 fourths. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and we'll pull out. We'll try pulling out the holes. 23 fourths. And again, I hope that doesn't sound disparaging to those students who are struggling with their math facts. That is a great, there are a great number of 5th graders who are struggling with their math facts, but that's what I keep telling them, is that if you don't know these things, use what you do know. You do know enough to solve these problems. It would be helpful if you knew your math facts. It'd be more simple and easier on you. But if you don't know them, take every measure you can to still figure it out. I don't care if I see, 4 plus 4 plus 4 on your paper over and over and over again until you get 4 times whatever you're looking for. Use what you do know to figure it out. So that's why I say that. Anyway, going back to where we're pulling out the holes, okay? So we've got 23 over 4. We're going to do minus 4 over 4. This is where it gets a little arduous, y'all. All right, so 23, 22, 21, 20, 19. 19 fourths minus 4 fourths. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. 15 fourths. Oh, and I forgot. I'm going to write my holes down here so I don't forget about them, because it can be kind of tough to add them up once you've got just a lot of scribbling on your page. Minus 4 fourths equals 11 fourths. Minus 4 fourths again. Writing our hole down there. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 7 fourths minus 4 fourths, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 equals 3 fourths. Can I subtract 4 fourths from that? No. 3 fourths minus 4 fourths would give us negative. So we're just going to go ahead and pull that down. Okay, so now let's add up how many holes we have.